Hi, hello, welcome to the Caffeinated Journal. My name is Shriya and I hope you're doing well. Today I will be setting up my bullet journal for June. For this month, I wanted to do something around the hashtag vocal for local. Hence, I chose the theme of Warli art. Most of my fellow Indians must be knowing about it, but for those who don't, Warli painting is a tribal art form done by the people of the Warli tribe, which is found on the outskirts of Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. While there are no records of the exact origins of this art, its roots may be traced to as early as the 10th century AD. Warli is a vivid expression of daily and social events of the Warli tribe, which is used by them to embellish the walls of their houses. This was the only means of transmitting folklore to a populace not acquainted with the written word. These paintings do not depict any mythological characters or images of deities like other tribal art forms, but actually depict the social life. Images of human beings, animals, along with scenes from daily life are created in a loose rhythmatic pattern. Painted with white on mud walls of their houses, they are pretty close to the prehistoric cave paintings in execution and usually depict scenes of humans engaged in activities like hunting, dancing, sowing, harvesting, and scenes of their marriages. The white color is obtained from grounding rice into a fine powder and then is painted with bamboo sticks. Their extremely rudimentary wall paintings use a very basic graphic vocabulary: a circle, a triangle, and a square. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle representing the sun and the moon. The triangle is derived from mountains and pointed trees. Only the square seems to obey a different logic and seems to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. If you are from the art or architectural background, you would be aware about parallelism form of art that is believed to have originated during the Mughal era. An essence of parallelism can be seen even in the Warli paintings. The only difference being that in this case the scenes are drawn in 2D. There is no y-axis here as there is in parallelism. The scene I have made on the cover page depicts men playing musical instruments and a woman dancing to it. The illustration on the right is of a typical Warli house. If you see carefully, these illustrations are of sorts sectional elevations of their houses. Here they not only show the exterior of the house but also the lively interiors. You can also see that there is a mezzanine floor which they use as a storeroom. For the brain dump or ideas page, as I like to call it, I chose to draw a simple plant or a bush with some rocks in the foreground. There is a small bird flying in the sky and a hen searching for food. If you are interested in learning how to draw the basics step by step, then follow me on Instagram. I will be uploading a video tomorrow about the same, and throughout the month, I will be uploading videos which talk more about the art. Ever since the art has been commercialized, artists have given it a modern touch, and I will be showing you all the traditional and the modern ways of doing Warli painting. I learned this art style in 2006, and honestly, if my teacher sees this video, she will kill me for using pens. It is supposed to be done only with brush and paints and without making any rough sketches with pencil. Since I wanted to film this, I did draw it with pencil because it's faster that way. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like and share it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All the links of the supplies used are in the description box below, along with the links to the sites I referred to for diving deep into the history of Warli paintings. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye, see ya, take care.